Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing more questions involving annuities, but specifically, we're going to be talking about what happens when we borrow a certain amount of money and we need to pay it off in the form of a monthly payment. Think of, for example, a mortgage or a car payment. Those are very common examples of annuity payments where we're not meant to make a big lump sum payment at the end necessarily. Generally, we do it in monthly payments until the balance is fully paid off. So here's an example. An investor borrows $240,000 to buy an investment property. The term is 30 years fixed at a 4.5% annual interest rate. What is the monthly payment? All right, so here's our equation here. This is called the loan payment equation. And what we need to do is we need to write down what's given to us. So A is the monthly amount. That is something that we do not know because that is what we're solving for. It's what the question wants us to figure out. P is the principal invested or borrowed, in this case, borrowed since we're borrowing. So therefore, that is going to be $240,000 is being borrowed. Then we have the interest rate. That is going to be the annual interest rate over the number of compounding periods per year. In this case, we're making a monthly payment. It's pretty safe to assume that we need to take this amount here, 4.5%, and divide by 12 to find the answer. And that's going to be 0.00375, like that. And then we need to use N, which is the total number of compounding periods. So in this case, it's 30 years, and it's going to compound each month, and we're going to pay each month as well. So 30 times 12 in this case to get the overall number of compounding periods. That is going to be 360, and that also means 360 total payments as well. So whatever the payment is, the investor will pay that payment 360 times, once per month for the next 30 years, and then the debt will be gone. Okay, so in this case, A is equal to 240,000 times R, so 0.00375, times 1 plus r, so 1.00375 to the power of n, so 360, all over 1.00375 to the power of n, so 360 again, minus 1. Okay, so let's plug this in and see what our answer is. All right, so let's start with the fraction here, and then we'll multiply at the very end. We'll multiply 240,000. So I'm going to start by typing in 1.00375 to the power of 360. I'm going to hit equals. Then I'm going to multiply by 0.00375, hit equals again. Then I'm going to hit divided by, and then bracket 1.00375 to the power of 360 minus 1, end bracket, equals. Okay, and then whatever answer I got there, I'm going to multiply 240,000, hit equals again, and I get that the answer is $1,216.04. So therefore, the investor must make this payment 360 times in order to fully pay off the $240,000 balance on the investment property.